Yeah. Yeah. Oh. My preference is Nick's preference. How's that sound?
That's a bullshit answer. So, I'm either like right there.
Okay.
I don't like the way this thing, you know, the tweeter sticks out of shit on there.
Right,
I'm
right.
not super thrilled with, but like it'll be safe there. I'm not gonna mess with it.
Okay.
Or there should be enough space back there, or we could probably put it here.
Right.
Which I like too. The only thing I'm worried about is if how thick this pillar is and if it'll keep this thing from popping back in.
Oh,
There's
right.
only one way to find out, which is to pop it out and see if it. I mean, I'm good with it if
really?
you're good with it.
Yeah, absolutely, dude, absolutely. Heck yeah. That'd be perfect.
I don't think it's gonna fit in the pillar anyway.
Right, right. Nice. Yep, that's perfect. I'm cool with that.
I just don't know why they make it stick out that far.
Yeah.
Like, it's the way it is on the picture too, but...
Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah, that's cool, man. That's cool, lady. And it's already adjusting everything, all the crossfit. Wow.
One of these nights, one of these crazy old nights.
I just want an Infinity. Like, I had Rockford Fosgate before in the Corolla, but I was like, man, it's just not the same as Infinity. So I was like, that's like the cheapest Infinity I could get, which, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad got me on Infinity because he had a Tacoma too. Shit. Wow, so it's a fairly new one too, so.
Yeah.
Dang, okay. Oh, shit.
I'll never buy another Chevrolet in my life. That's the best song you could have picked to check out new speakers. Thanks. I had really last night.
Shut up. Come on, man. Give me a break.
Is this car standard?
What's that? What's that?
Is it standard hardware, not metric?
What is this thing? What is it?
Keep pulling. The ground wire. Keep going. Different length because. Okay. That's it. Yeah. That's good. I'm gonna run them RCAs to me. I'm working on it. Do you have water, John?
I got you. You need water?
What if he said he does hammer truck? Go down on your side a little bit. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's the password? Oh, it's JDM.
Would you ask? Sound ordinance.
I hope this pops off. Just for the dumb jokes, man.
Ah.
It's for the Honda Inspire. TSX / Accord. Oh, it's on the back trunk, sorry.